In this video, I will show you how you can clean up your Gmail inbox with this full step-by-step guide. First, let's go to your Gmail inbox. Now you can see here in my inbox, I have over 6,000 emails, which is a lot to go through. So if you want to remove all of them, what you can do is click on inbox, then go to the top here, there is a checkbox. You can click on it and go to your right hand side here and then click on select all the emails. Then proceed to click on the trash icon to delete all of your emails. Later on, you can go down and then click on the trash and empty your trash bin. Now you can do that later on. Okay, so that is one way to remove all of your emails. If you prefer to remove emails based on a particular company, say Hungry Jack's right here, what you can do is right click on that email and then go down and click on find emails from that particular company. Then select it, click on the checkbox, go to the right hand side and click on select all conversations. This will allow you to select all the emails from that company. Now go ahead and click on the delete button and that will be moved to the trash. Now another thing that you can do is turn on the smart features so that email will automatically sort out your emails for you based on the type of emails or based on the category. So if you click on the settings icon here and then click on CO settings, go down, so scroll down and make sure smart features is turned on here. Tick the turn on smart features in Gmail, chat and Meet. When you turn this setting on, you agree to let Gmail, chat and Meet use your content and activity in this product to provide smart features and personalize your experience. Now make sure you select that and then we go back to your inbox. In here it will sort out my emails by forums, category, and on the left hand side I can view my emails by purchases, social, updates or promotions. Now in promotions I have lots and lots of emails which I don't need. You can click on the checkbox and then select all the promotions emails and you can move them to the trash. Okay, now there is a powerful search option at the top here. If you click on the filter button in here, you can use the text box right here, and with all these different parameters that you can put in, like from to, you can search by the subject name of the email or the keyword. You can search for email with a certain size, or you can filter your emails within a certain date range. So here you can search email from the last 6 months or 1 year, or you can search all emails, or you want to search emails that has attachments to it. You can click on that and then click on search, and this will allow you to filter out all your emails within a certain period with attachment. So here I select 1 day, so it shows all email. So I can select 1 year and then click on search. So within that 1 year, if that emails with attachment, it will show in here. I can click on the close button that will clear out my filter. Here I can use my search history, and I can choose one of the search histories to filter out emails. Now if we go back to inbox right here, now let's go back to inbox in here. And if we select certain emails, instead of deleting, you can archive, so that later on if you ever need to go back to those emails, it's always available. So instead of deleting, you can also use the archive features, and that will send those email to archived. Another thing that you can do is, if you no longer want to receive emails from certain company, you can click on it. So let's say this one here, I don't really know when I subscribe to them, but if it's not something that you want, you can always go down here, and at the bottom of the emails there's always a unsubscribe button, so clicking on that will allow you to unsubscribe, and from here on you will no longer be able to receive emails from them anymore. So click on off and then click on save preferences, and in the future they will no longer send you emails. Okay, so here if I go into promotions, then click on the checkbox at the top, then choose select all, and then we click on the trash and then click on OK to confirm. Here we click on more, we go down, here it says will take some time, so give it some time to remove all the emails. If we go into trash, we can then in here, you can then empty your trash bin. So select all from the trash and then delete forever and then click on OK and it will be forever removed from your inbox. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.